Welcome to Whiteboard Wednesdays, Real Talk with a Realtor. I'm Sharice Wynn, also known as the Agent Lady. And today, guys, we are actually going over to Logan Square, and we're going to talk to Drew Murray himself to tell us all about Logan Square and things that you might want to know. Let's go. Hi, guys. We are here with Drew Murray, the president of Logan Square Neighborhood Association. And how long has it been?
Since I've been president?
Yes.
This is my 4th year as president.
Awesome. High five to that.
That's right.
This is outside of, obviously you have a regular job as well.
Yes, I have a job that actually pays me as well.
So 2 full-time jobs.
Yes.
All right, great. So tell us about Logan Square. What are the boundaries of
So
Logan
the boundary of
Square?
Logan Square to the south is
Okay.
Market Street.
Okay.
To the north is Spring Garden.
Okay.
To the west is the Schuylkill River. And
Right.
to the east is Broad Street.
All right. That covers a lot. 'Cause
Yes.
sometimes people like chop it up and like
Yep.
bring it up.
Yes.
It actually goes to broad.
It's a big footprint.
Okay, awesome. And outside of zoning, what other things does the neighborhood association, like people who don't live here, would want to know?
Sure, we have a lot of different committees. We have a health and safety committee that deals a lot with the police department
Okay.
and getting robbery reports out, crime
Wow.
reports. So we handle that. We have an entertainment committee basically. We
Okay.
throw a lot of parties. We're having our 45th annual Halloween party in
Wow.
a little over a month. We're having our block party
Okay.
this Sunday. We also have a holiday party. So we like to have a lot of parties here.
Is this
in
a lot of
Logan
stuff
Square.
that takes place, I guess, more so in the fall, or you guys have a lot of activity?
For whatever reason, we do a lot of it in the fall.
Right.
We do have one event in the spring at Baldwin Park, typically.
Okay.
But yeah, a lot of our events, for whatever reason, tend to happen in the fall.
Well, that's when people are home
That's
because
right.
everybody travels, especially
Yes.
here in Philly, like go to the shore or they're going away. So fall makes sense.
Yes.
So Halloween party is the 45th one.
45th annual. correct.
Okay, that sounds like a good time.
Yes.
All right, is that just like you cut off some streets? Is that how that works?
Well, it's at Cox Park, which is just a small pocket park just at 21st and Cherry,
Okay.
in between 21st and 22nd.
Okay.
And we don't block off the street, but there are so many children who go trick-or-treating.
Right.
Cherry Street basically gets blocked off.
Got it,
Just
got
with all
it.
the children walking through the neighborhood. So
And I'm going to ask you a question, Drew. Why Logan Square?
why Logan Square?
Because you obviously live here.
Yes, I've been here about 14 years. I think it's the best neighborhood in the city. It's,
Okay.
It's close to what I call the downtown district and the tall buildings, the Comcast centers.
Right.
But it's a town-home community, and
That's true.
you're within walking distance of a lot of great stuff. But it still feels like you're in a neighborhood. We have the Benjamin Franklin Parkway.
Yes, you do.
The jewel of our city. We
Right.
have a lot of great parks. Baldwin Park. We talked about Cox Park. We have Fairmont Park.
Right.
The Parkway is right in the heart of our neighborhood. We have Love Park. We have Dilworth Plaza. Just a lot of incredible restaurants. A lot of great parks.
Wow.
A lot of things to do within a few blocks of our house.
So you can literally work in the financial district and then walk home.
Yes, exactly.
All right, so I guess the question is, why not Logan Square? Well, thanks for joining us, Drew. And remember, friends don't let friends buy or sell real estate without the agent lady. Make it a great day, guys.